Mic check, mic check. Mic check Bugatti. Mic check Bugatti. How we doing, boys? Schwiggity on 'em, boy. Previously on Kimba TV. Alright, you gotta understand what it's been doing. So, for example, do you understand that this was 7.5? This was golden pocket. So, you will be looking for 1618 down here. Right? Dink, 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 dink. Right? Volume support is down there. Juicy Juice Productions. Alright, y'all, where's my fucking coffee? Oh, wait. Let me. But nothing's really changed. Again, Lions, these are the levels that we've had on Coinbase for the last couple months. So, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, I'm a big level-to-level guy, so we talked about that being a possibility. We could not get back in there. Obviously, it's level to level. The next yellow line is downhill. Cheers. Let me just take a look at stuff. And then we have, full rotation play. So, I mean, I don't know if you really need 15-second alpha TA. Obviously, you know what happens if we reclaim value area low. Easy money, Bugatti money. It's that profito. You guys ready for markets to open and we're gonna see this gap? Chill. Gray Caparino says we finally on the road to all-time high. Well, yes, Coinbase hasn't swept, derivatives haven't swept. Yes, but you got to take it level by level. So yeah, I mean, we pulled back to the last support that we could have had. You know what I'm saying? We pulled back to literally last support. So it's healthy to stop out people that are top longing and shit, So nice little cleaning of the longs. If it pulls back to 67, 66, holy shit, easy long, right? It's like the previous range value point of control, value area low, so that would be an easy log. Gotta be careful of VWAP if we go up. So yeah, if we open the markets and the settlement turns into support, then you're probably gonna have a high probability for a full rotation. Obviously we got to get back into value area low, but the first sign of strength would be opening and holding settlement, obviously. Phelps says, who took the bull div at 68.9? Attaboy. Yeah, but I mean, think about it. These levels have been here. I don't know about taking the blind limit at 68.9, but, golden pocket retest and the back test of that level is a pretty obvious long, right? Yeah, remember, these levels have been here for months. So as long as you have the levels right, it's not that difficult to see. I mean, you don't want to be longing anywhere here, obviously. Once the swing fail for this doesn't work, right? Merino, did you add to your long? Yes, sir. But I didn't go too crazy. I just did, I think I'm in for maybe 120 total or something like that. So I couldn't really see the charts yesterday. I promised baby girl that everything would be about the trip. Can we do TA on gold? What the fuck? I mean, yeah, I guess. Gold. Yeah, so this is what it's supposed to do. I don't know. It's Friday. I don't really like to do analysis on gold. So, I mean, as long as this bit just keeps holding, it's probably okay. Yeah, I think it's better to do TA on gold on Monday, my guy. Yeah, so we got the, back test. So on the higher time frame, like, this is all normal. This is all normal. So yeah, as long as the trend is held, it's gonna continue to go probably. But ask me again on Monday for gold. I think gold is better to TA on Monday. JV says, I stayed late last night to get that bull div 68900 entry. Nice. Yeah, it's really just about identifying levels. I don't really know about 689, but I mean, this is a level that we've had for quite, months basically. So pretty straightforward, I think. If you're not in any position, I would wait 24 minutes until markets open, see which way RTH wants to go. If settlement doesn't hold, then probably looking for like this next point of control, probably somewhere down here. Clean these. Yeah, if settlement doesn't hold, then probably something like this. Yeah, I don't think there's anything really too difficult right now. The levels to the upside is pretty clear. The levels to the downside is pretty clear. And just play, let's see how the RTH opens up. You feel me? Thomas says, brother, what do you think about the 71.1, 71.3 short? Maybe, I mean, higher probably, because look. So the anchor VWAP, takes you to around 72. So maybe, yeah, like maybe 71.5. You also got to be paying attention to the value area high. So yeah, because if you can get above, if you can get above here, you're probably going to rotate pretty quick back up. I wouldn't really be shorting, to be honest, my guy. I would probably just wait for pullbacks and long, which is exactly what I've been saying. Which is exactly what I've been doing and what I've been saying that I would do. So if there's too many longers or too many shorters trapped, the market has to go and punish them. All right. So if we get a whole bunch of dickhead longers at 72, 73 again, yeah, we might go to that 65, 67. If we get too many longers, here, we might pull back again. So, yeah, we gotta just take it level by level. Yeah, like for example, if the market's open and we don't have support at settlement, and we can't find support around the 68.5 and snap right back in after cleaning these lows. I mean, it doesn't even have to go that low. It could just clean the overnight low. So if it doesn't do that, then yeah, 67, 66 is for sure on the table. Yeah, so it's just level to level. But I would long big at 66, 67 again, probably. All right. Uchiha says it is at value area high of that previous big range. If this bounces from here, it will be bullish, right? Absolutely, Uchiha. Yes. Yeah, and a lot of the levels kind of confluence, right? Value area high, support, fibs, settlement, RTH. Yeah, but there's no guarantee. So if you are in a long, just put stop loss and profit. Don't lose, okay? And it's Friday. You know what I would love about going down to 67, 66, right? Yo. Hey, everybody knows what the fuck the juicy juice is, right? If we go to 67, 66, hey, quit playing with me, boy. Hey, this motherfucker about to do its thing. Hey, this motherfucker about to do its thing. ETH BTC. Quit playing with me. Right? ETH. Yo, hey, boy. Everybody was at, what's going on with ETH? I said, bitch, yellow line, bitch. Quit playing with me, bitch. Wahala. Yeah, so let it go to 67, 66. Ultra mega juice, homie. Bitch, I'm ready. Y'all ready? I'm ready if you ready, boy. I'm strong if you strong, boy. Yes, I mean, if it wants to go up, we juice. If it wants to go down, it's mega juice. I mean, we ready, boy. Right? Chill. I'm in from the golden pocket for 120 Bitcoin I added. If I had gotten hit at 7.5, I would have been fulfilled, but I didn't. So, but it's interesting that you asked me that question, because what I told the other homies was, you know, if we get to value area high or PDPOC or anything, a lot of people are asking, hey, would you short today? I don't think so. I said, I don't know if we would get that full rotation on Friday. So yeah, whether it's a juicy long or a juicy short, things like, you know, full rotations and like full on mathematical expectations, kind of hard to expect it on a Friday. Yeah. Gucci Romo says, does this feel like a bearish divergence move up? Lick grab? I mean, it could be, but I wouldn't even really look into it that difficult. You know, it stayed above settlement and open, so it would be natural that it would just try to move up to value area high. Yeah, so here's your PDEQ, ladies and gentlemen. What Lions, you guys have seen this hundreds of times, correct? When you get rejected, if you get rejected at the PDEQ, what is the next level that you'll be looking for? And I'm not saying don't fucking blindly long PD value area low or anything like that. That's not what I'm saying. But this is something that we see all the time, right? So you're not freaking the fuck out. But you'll be waiting to see if we turn previous day value area low into support. Okay, so level by level, math by math. Yeah, you guys are good. VWAP Confluence, sure. Yeah. But I would really also emphasize keeping an eye on CME, my guy. Alrighty, so CME kind of has its own thing around 72,600. I'm gonna ask you again next week, and I'm gonna be paying attention to you guys, and I'm gonna try to focus and help you guys a little bit, okay? What I want you guys to think about, for those of you that it didn't really work out this week, what I want you guys to do is think about what you could have done better, or what is some of the mistakes that you made. And then on Monday, let's talk about it and correct it. Okay? You guys all know what next week is, right? It's FOMC, motherfuckers. Y'all excited? Yo, I'm hyped the fuck up. Boy, and we got elections. We got FOMC. All right? We may or may not have broken all-time high. What the fuck is we doing? You know? And do you guys realize that if we're gonna squeeze in what we want, there could be a potential where this goes up again, right? I don't know if it's gonna make a new all-time high. I wouldn't want it to. I would want it to find resistance. We go all the way back down to 66, 67. I add like another like 500 Bitcoin long. I get into my ETH long, I get into my DOT, I get into my XRP, I get into my Jasmine, I get into my Tau, I get into all the shit that I want to get into. Elections happen, FOMC happens, everything's still Gucci, we're still cutting rates, we pop. Right? I think a lot of people kind of want something like that.
I said we strong there.
But you have to understand, like, these are $3,000, $4,000 bing bong ding dongs, and you know FOMC is next Wednesday and next Thursday. So this weekend could be juicy, Monday could be juicy, Tuesday could be juicy, right? And then obviously Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to finish out the week is going to be juicy as fuck. So let's lock in. And if you did not have that great of a week this week, let's be honest and objective. Figure out what you did wrong, and then get ready for next week. All right. So and rewatch. Like for me, I've always been. I'm not really looking to short, right? Every pullback, I'm adding and taking the long. Let me know what you guys feel like, you know, we could have done better or whatever. Vidal says, can you tell me how you can see if long or short has been squeezed? Yeah, so make sure you nerd out on open interest, my guy. Okay, so when people open longs or shorts, the open interest goes up. Okay, shorts opened. Okay, when they close or they get squeezed, the open interest goes down. So all of these shorts from the top, they're still open. If they get squeezed or they close, this goes down. See these longs that are open? If the price goes down and this goes like this, that means they closed. All right, Vital? Bugatti juice. I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. Peace, everybody. Here reading. Here reading.